A lot of people get stuck in this ego of awareness on their spiritual journey, pointing at all that is wrong, focusing on revealing the dark side, which is not enlightened or aligned with all their newly gained wisdom. What they tend to miss is that this type of awareness doesn't lead to change. Rather, it keeps the system they're trying to fight alive. It's wasted energy, personal power that could have been used to create something better in the world. The universe is based on the dance of opposites. This dance is like the movement of a pendulum swinging in both directions. Whether you focus on the good or bad swing of the pendulum, you are still partaking in its movement. No matter the side of the spectrum you are on, you keep it alive by engaging with it. Everything flows, out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and fall. The pendulum swing manifests in everything. The measure of the swing to the right is the measure of the swing to the left. Rhythm compensates. No matter how enlightened you are, you cannot escape it physically, but you can mentally reach unity and rise above the dualistic swing of the pendulum. You engage in the neutral mind, the mind without mind, the mushin no shin. This leads to a state of inner peace in which your foundation is strong and you can remain unbothered by the circumstances around you.